Welcome to MT Engineering. In this tutorial we will make two basic parts. The first one will be here. Open new part and choose all the planes and make them visible. Choose the front plane and make a plane 57.5 millimeter. Then click OK. Again choose this face and sketch. Here we will draw some geometry, the leg part of the chair. Draw one side and here make it construction geometry and specify this dimension. This height will be 45 millimeter and the angle between this line and this 70 degree. And this side over around here, and we will get this will be 35 millimeter. Okay, drag it up and smart dimension. This will be 25 millimeter. So we get this line. We can offset this by selecting one edge 10 millimeter, offset it and close the gap down there. Exit sketch and trim entities, trim these unnecessary lines, so we get this. And before that we have to add a fillet at this edge and this edge. 10 millimeter is enough. In the blueprint this dimension is not present. Go to features, extrude post base, extrude it 10 millimeter, flip the direction to inside, then click OK. Then choose right plane and sketch. Here we will draw center rectangle. The back side, here we will make the back side of the chair. Okay, zoom and click this edge, this line and this edge, make it collinear. And specify this height. It will be 40 millimeter. This distance will be 10 millimeter. Now it is fully defined, so go to features, extrude post base, extrude it 15 millimeter, then click OK. Here again choose plane 1 and sketch. Again we will make simple geometry. Exit line, again choose line, draw a line, let's zoom in, zoom it and is 3-point arc, draw arc, make it tangent to this and this, make it tangent. Now this arc is smooth, and we have to specify this distance. The distance will be 70mm, 80mm. This radius will be 15. Now it is not fully defined, so choose those pointers and make horizontal. Again, we have to offset this sketch. Here we have to close this. To this edge. Make this sketch. Again, we have to close this at the bottom. Exit. Now it is fully defined. Go to features, extrude with base, extrude it 10mm, click direction, then click OK. Make sure to check merge result. Here again choose right plane sketch, and here we will draw a center rectangle. This height will be 10, and the height between the center of this rectangle to the bottom will be 45mm. So go to extrude with base and extrude it. Choose offset from surface, offset, reverse, and again from the sketch offset 5mm. Let's click OK. And again choose right plane sketch. Here we will again draw center rectangle right underneath the first one, and this height will be 35mm. Then extrude post base. Here choose specify. It is not blind, so up to choose up to surface, up to this face. Next, now again it is not offset, surface from this surface. Now it is perfect. This look good. Similarly, show this sketch. We will do similar thing in front of this chair. Choose this face hide this sketch. Okay, we have to mirror the legs to the opposite side. Choose mirror and choose the features. Click OK. Now our part is ready. We have to add appearance. It seems real. Okay, after rendering, choose integrated preview. It will render in the Solidworks window. Okay, the second part is here. Open new part. Choose right plane in sketch. Here we will draw simple geometry. Smart dimensions, this distance will be 90 mm. The height will be 45 plus 35. In Solidworks, we can add, subtract, divide any dimensions. We don't have to calculate by calculator. Okay, exit dimension, make it horizontal. Again, go to sketch, and this distance will be 30 mm, 10, 10, 10 each. This height will be 20. Okay, this distance is 30. Okay, 25. So we have to extrude it, flip the direction, and 70 mm. Here we have to cut some parts. So draw center rectangle. This distance 5 mm at the top, and from the bottom also 5 mm. This 10 mm, and the distance between this line to this edge is also 10. Similar to the other side. So go to features, extrude cut. We will cut this 25 mm toward this to inside. Again, choose this face and sketch. Also, we have to cut some parts. Draw this line and to close. It draws some geometry outside, and specify this distance. Distance will be 40 mm, and the height between this line, these two lines, is 35. Extrude cut. Choose up to next. then click OK. Now part is in progress. Again, choose circle, draw a circle from this line and specify this diameter. The diameter is 30 millimeter. Okay, from this center to this edge is 14 millimeter, 15 millimeter plus 9. So go to features, extrude cut, flip the direction and choose up to next. Again, choose plane, choose this face and make a plane 10 millimeter. So here we will draw the rest of geometry. Choose line, draw a line, okay. You don't have to exit. We shall continue. Draw a line up to there. Make sure it is vertical. Again, go back and it will convert to circle and drop it here. Then close this geometry. If you don't close, extrude command will not work. Here specify this radius to 20. This line is 8 millimeter. This 27. The distance between this center to this edge is 10 millimeter. Here we will add a fillet of 12 millimeter radius. Here we will add an arc. Okay, trim this part and specify this arc radius. This will be 12 millimeter. Okay, we have to make a tangent with this line. Here again we will add a slot from the center of this arc and this arc at the center of this arc, and here the length of the slot will be 24 millimeter. The distance or the diameter of the arc is 12. So now it is fully defined. So go to features, extrude workspace. When you extrude it, make sure So finally get art. You can add appearance, any appearance you want. Drag and drop at the part so you can render. First you have to go to Solidworks add-ins and previous render 60 degree. After that you can choose those. Okay, it is rendering. After final rendering you will get this picture. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.